what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. Really goes a long way. So this one is actually coming from Nike. I got this off of the sneakers app. So let's crack this open right here. Those that are stuck together. Cut the box though. Alright, here we go. And here is again the receipt from Nike. So as you can see right here, you got a black box with 16 up top in Roman numerals. Right there, you got 5551. And these are the Zoom LeBron Soldier CT16 Quick Strike. I believe that's the champions, it's like a pack that they did. Suggested retail is $150 and colorway is midnight navy white. So there it is. As you can see right here, they do have this card right here in gold. And if you want to pause it, you can read it right there. But pretty much this is 16. The number of playoffs wins standing between every player today and their ultimate goal of becoming a champion. That's just pretty much just saying what this pack is about. And basically it's saying that the Champions Think 16 collection honors the collective mentality shared by the game's greatest competitors, the moments synonymous with their greatness, and the pivotal role Nike Incorporated played in cementing each champion's proven place in history. So that's that right there. You have this white paper, and it does have, again, the Roman numeral 16s on them right here. And then here they are right here. So just a quick spin of the shoe. As you can see, these are the LeBron Soldier ones. Right here again, this is part of that Nike Champions Think 16 collection. Right here, you got LeBron's original logo right there with the crown. You got the Nike swoosh, and it does have some writing at the very bottom. It does have family fearless on this one, and I believe it's different on this one. Yeah, and passion, vision, win is actually on this pair right here. But again, you got the white bottom Nike swoosh. You got LeBron James in the back right there. You got Nike Zoom branding in the front. You got the 2-3, LeBron James number. You got a strap right here and a strap in the back. Again, you got the logo in the back, the Nike swoosh. So pretty much this is a shoe that LeBron James wore during the 2007 NBA playoffs. And this actually, he pretty much scored 25 points, straight points, to actually defeat the Detroit Pistons in that game. So he pretty much single-handedly willed the team to win that game. But this shoe is pretty dope though. As you can see right here, the leather, you do have this thick tumbled leather right here. It is thicker than what the new retros go for. But as you can see, it does tumble when you actually press on it. the strap, you got the 2-3. It's patent leather, so you have the shiny patent leather right there. You do have the lion logo on the tongue as well. And then inside you do have the 16. And in the back you do have 16 as well. Is that the same on this one? Yes, it is. And you got LRJ, LeBron James initials right there. But yeah, pretty dope shoe. Actually, this is my first Soldier, LeBron James Soldier shoe. So just want to see how they were. But from what I see, they look pretty dope. Again, something that you can probably wear casually, and also in the basketball court as well. So, all right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out. Actually, one thing I noticed after going through my shoe is this right here. Never came with a chain, so I don't know what's going on, you know, why. That's why I actually didn't even really notice it when I was looking at the shoe, and I forgot that it actually came with a chain. But yeah, this was in the box, but there was no chain anywhere. So I did contact Nike. Let's see what they say. But yeah, it was missing the chain though. All I got was this.